Dead by Daylight down right now. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So this is the questions right now. Some users report some problems at Dead by Daylight. So if you try to go to downdetector.com and if you search, let's say you go to Google and then search for Dead by Daylight down, go to the first site. You will see that if you scroll down at this graphic, it says 338 and 28 reports right now. And if you scroll down, most reported problems at server connections, login, and just 6% at gameplay. And then if we scroll down, we will see some comments from different gamers. They say that it's down for them too, so you don't have to worry, you will just have to wait until they solve this problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.